Sly. Miss Sly. Miss Sly. I'm recording the video. I got bored.
Stop that. Okay, let's go.
Bye, Miss Sly. Say bye. Say bye.
Bye.
Do.
Are you recording me?
Yeah, I'm recording. I've been recording for about 30 seconds now. Let's go to the lunchroom. Hi. I'm asking you. Do. You're so Hi. Then. Hey, Lana. It's so bright. Look, it's freaking bright. Look.
Hey, even though I'm pale, you don't have to be like.
I wasn't talking about you. I was talking about look how bright it is. See?
Why is it like that?
I don't. Cause of the sun.
It's like that in the class too. Like you guys were like.
Wait, will they take my camera away? Push me much?
Are they? You feel an eraser hit your head?
Dirty hoe. Wait, are they gonna take away my camera if they see it? Yes? Or no? Motherfucker.